But once we're out from the tunnel, when we're in Nixon.
So do you do any?
Okay, I'm going to test my skills and think about moving. Yeah. No, that is really possible. Yeah.
Unless they chose the coffee machine.
It's not exactly
It's nice to have an info now and again.
So he's not sure whether they're doing sort of joining instructions. Rather than trying to bounce into a different space. I've read it.
I know, was it all I said?
Look at this little green one, Lou.
Oh, look there.
I like this little green one.
Yeah? I know, I like it.
So we've got to go back to Frisco.
Yeah, they're good cars.
Yeah, 900. Yeah.
I like this. Dicky sheep.
Where's yours?
You shot yourself in the foot there, didn't you? No pity for you. Yeah, I'll text Oscar.
Wow, tractor, yeah.
Shaun the sheep, yeah?
Maybe a 19. Nearly before. Yeah. Breaks it down.
Right, should we walk down the other side?
Triumph TL6. Yeah, through there to turn
Three adults.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, I was looking at that thinking, it's just the way it's quite small.
There you go. Yeah. This is how did he?
Where do you remember? Hey, he owns that, you know, he's got the business. Yeah.
I think it's better. We've had there's been no talk about it in the sense. No gentle grades, nothing like that. Because Aaron, every single year, a report comes out. This is your predicted grade. You see them? I mean, for some people, they might think, yeah, I think it's a little fear.
No. That's what I was thinking. I'm thinking, well, there couldn't have been any more, but I'm pretty sure.
Basically the same.
Yeah.